Earlier this month, I tested the OPPO Reno8 Pro, and here I have the latest OPPO Reno8 Z. Let's unbox now. This Reno8 Z features a 6.4 AMOLED display with a 60Hz refresh rate, Snapdragon 6955 5G chipset, 256GB of internal storage, 8GB of RAM, and up to 5GB of RAM expansion. The device is also powered by a 4500mAh battery that supports 33W Super Volt charging. As for the camera, it sports a 16MP selfie snapper and a triple rear camera setup with a 64MP main camera, 2MP depth sensor, and 2MP macro lens. Check out this dual orbit light here, which is placed under the dual camera module. It is the industry first dual orbit light, and it will light up or blink in different scenarios in 3 different shades of blue, such as when the device is on power on or there is an unread notification, and the dual orbit light responds in baby blue in breathing mode. Or another example here is the dual orbit light always on mode in light blue while the device is charging, with the light going off when it is fully charged. Cool, right? So yay or nay for you? Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.